Why do people spam?
Because they're
Well, I mean,
Statistically, it works.
statistically it works. Okay, I mean that's why they do it. Okay, and it's a process that will forever be less effective, right? So they get addicted because it worked really well and it was like easy money, like the first couple months that they did it, and then it started to get more difficult. They could keep chasing that to the point that they do these amazingly sophisticated things to be able to spam in today's world, but there's a reason why people will engage in the behavior, right? And so a lot of the stuff in the spam that's going out there in the Twitter world is a result of the same idea. Is that I'll just do things that are going to automate my the volume of tweets that I can do, and send so many people information that they may or may not be interested in, just so that I can get a large volume of people. Now, understand that there's some kind of an effectiveness to that, right? So there are going to be people that are engaged in that. So you're going to get a lot of static in the Twitter universe, and it's kind of funny that you brought that up this morning, because that's exactly what this article was all about. Was talking about how it's really exploded, and so it's kind of nice to have been watching it explode as it's been happening. But there's a whole bunch of tools that are coming out to get rid of the static, okay, and to allow you to key in on exactly the conversations that are happening in the Twitter. I don't know, do they call it the Twitter sphere? What do they call it?
Twitter sphere.
Is it the Twitter sphere? I just want to make sure I had my terms right. So that are happening in the Twitter sphere that you want to take part in, and that's a very important thing for us all to get